The court, please, my lord, we've reached a stage where we now have to deal with the cross-examination of Lieutenant Colonel Mangena.
Mangena, yeah.
Yes.
Is he here?
I've discussed the matter with my colleagues. We haven't really reached a consensus on the issue. The one complicating factor is that Mr. Mgomezulu needs to go through his evidence as well as the evidence of the other witnesses. And it would appear, my lord, we might have to postpone the matter at this point. We just need to get an indication of how long my colleagues are.
How many witnesses were there about that thing? He wants all the expect evidence of all those ballistic. What was it? Camp, etc., etc.
Yes, I think about we led two witnesses regarding the ballistics, and we're still going to lead another expert. So yeah, all in all, it's about I think about three or so. I cannot remember from the top of my head.
3 new witnesses.
No, I'm talking about the ones that have been
evidence
led.
of 3 experts.
Yeah, that has been led already.
Yeah.
And in addition to Lieutenant Colonel Mangena, there's still one more witness, a ballistic expert who verified his results, who must still testify.
So you want us to do what?
Well, I'm saying, my lord, the state is ready that we can resume the cross-examination of Colonel Mangena, but the defense appear not to be ready. They mentioned the issue of their expert that they still need to consult, as well as a report.
I thought the time when we adjourned last year, you remember?
Yes.
They said that expert is in Israel. Is that not so, Mr. Ramusipidi?
I think it was somewhere in yeah.
In Uganda, not in Israel.
No, but my lord, the long and short of it is, he has prepared a report for us that was made available to us in December.
So?
But we need one more consultation with him, and also there are, truth be told, there are issues financing his appearances here in court. So we're still going through that. And also the issue of Mr. Mgomezulu, he needed to familiarize himself with the evidence of Mr. Mangena, and I think other witnesses. He's just received disclosure that was here this morning. But he can speak for himself.
Yes, Mr. Mgomezulu. How long do you need to read?
I've received more than 9,000.
Hello?
I've received more than 9,000 pages.
No, but you said you want to read the evidence of the ballistic experts. Who? And who else?
There are 3 ballistic experts that I need to go through.
And it can't be 9,000 pages.
No, I was referring to the total number of pages that
I read this
discovered
evidence. That's why I can tell you it can't be 9,000 pages.
Sorry, madam?
Just extrapolate the evidence of Mangani there on those documents you have.
Bundles, I think. The one that they gave us. It's 3 bundles, madam.
Yeah, let's see them.
Yes.
Let's see how many pages. Not the whole evidence, starting with the beginning of the trial. The evidence of Mangani and the evidence. Who's the other? It's.
I think it's Rudolph.
Rulofse, yes, Rulofse Mangani, and the third gentleman.
I think it's.
Mr. Ramusipidi, who are the experts who testified regarding ballistics?
Yes,
Well,
madam, that's
fir-
why we are.
You were here, you should know.
So,
You don't know.
Yeah, first,
Mangena, there's rule of say. And
yes.
then there was a gentleman from Cleveland, Mr. Mchali,
Yeah,
who
but-
testified about the handling of that firearm, how it left the SAP,
Yeah.
13 stores. And oh, there was another gentleman
this-
who was wearing a cream suit, who
Yes.
also dealt with the firearm, but I forgot his surname. He's no longer in the employ of the
What did he say?
SAPs.
What did he say?
Yes,
He also dealt with the handling of that
What did he say?
I'm not that's all the evidence. I need to refresh myself on that.
it's
We're
been
going to
some.
argue this case.
It's been some
You
time.
must
my
have
lord.
all the information here.
My lot is only dealing with one case.
Me?
Yes.
Yeah, but I know it.
Yeah.
So this gentleman with the fawn suit, what did he say? Who's he?
Yeah, my recollection, my lord, is that he testified about the process at the ballistic section.
Oh, I remember. A white gentleman, yeah.
Yes. I'm
The
just-
one who says they've changed the setup there, blah, blah, blah.
Yes.
What's his name, by the way?
Just trying to verify his name, my lord. I'm just looking at the list of exhibits, my lord. We will come back to the court about that name. But the fact of the matter is that, my lord, that the defense needs time to peruse, as far as Mr. Mgomezulu is concerned, to peruse the evidence of the ballistic experts, and there's also an issue about the report of the ballistic expert. I think they'll be in a better position to indicate when they will be ready.
Yeah, Mr. Mgomezulu, how long do you need?
My lord, I'm sitting with 140 pages.
140?
40, yes.
Is that the evidence you need to read and prepare on?
That's correct.
140?
Yes.
One
only
night's work.
Mangena.
One night's work, ne?
It's only Mangena.
Oh, you want to deal with
Not the
Mangena
rest of-
initially, and the others?
Others, I haven't counted those pages.
He says it needs time for 100. How long? How long, sir? 140 pages.
My lord, I still have to compare this evidence of Mr. Mangena with the previous expert witnesses.
Yeah, you
that
have to
they've
read
tendered.
all of it.
So, my lord,
So it's how many pages?
because now I was told that we are approaching a recess on Thursday,
This Thursday.
this Thursday.
So you're suggesting to have Easter first?
That's correct, my lord. If we back on the 15th of April, I would be fully prepared to.
15th of April.
That's correct.
When is the recess, Mr.
It starts on Thursday, my lord.
The recess?
Yes.
Until when?
I think until the second week in April.
The date in April will be what?
Yes. I will have to check first, my lord. I don't have those dates at the top of my head.
So you're suggesting that we should come back on the 15th of April?
When I spoke to the role planner this morning, my lord.
Who's that?
The role planner.
Yeah.
Yeah, she indicated that we can postpone to any date that is suitable to all the parties. So we're not really bound by the term, as long as it's suitable to all the parties. As this is it's a case on a special role.
Mr. Ramsepidi, what's your view?
My Lord, in fairness to Mr. Mngomezulu, who was retained for the trial within the trial but now is running solo, for him to familiarize himself with the evidence led, am I amenable to a date that is suitable to all counsel here, including Mr. Mngomezulu?
Mr. Mnisi?
I would, from the solitude of my conscience, my lord, had it not been for Mr. Mngomezulu's concern that he needs to go and prepare, I would have opted that we even sit during recess. However, I think that will be unfair for Mr. Mngomezulu. He needs to go and prepare. So in that vein, I am amenable to a date that would suit him and the other councils as well.
Okay, Mr. Ngumalo?
My Lord, I think it will be proper that we give Mr. Mngomezulu an opportunity to go through the records.
Okay.
So the 15th
Ms. Mshololo?
will be suitable. Thank you.
Thank you, my lord. My lord, my request was going to say, my lord, that if the court can give us the opportunity to adjourn this matter until the 15th of April, because the 15th of April is the beginning of the second term, my lord. That will enable the defense to finalize the issue of the experts, which we are busy with, my lord, and then also prepare for a further cross-examination. Thank you, my lord.
Yes.
To this roster that has been given to me by Mr. Jonas, thanks. The second term starts on the 10th of April. I see Advocate Mshololo says
10th
the
of April.
Yeah, 10 April to the 18th of June.
Yeah, I think we'll postpone up to the 10th. Is that okay, Mr. Mngomezulu?
Still fine.
And then you don't have to go to... She says the second term starts on the 15th, not the 10th.
Let's check.
What's that?
Yeah.
When does the second term start? 15th.
Yeah, I think we can settle for the 15th, my lord. It's a Monday.
Okay, fine. I don't want the JP to say the judge Kekeleza, the Ibambi Toch wants to be paid for sitting at home. Okay, because of those reasons, right, that Mr. Mngomezulu wants to familiarize himself with the evidence which preceded his appointment, which commenced with the trial within a trial. Consequently, he says he has to apprise himself of the whole evidence which preceded his appointment on the trial within the trial. Am I correct, sir? That you're going to start from the beginning. You don't come here on the 15th and say, I got long way and fundang.
That's correct, my lord.
You start from the beginning,
From the beginning.
right? That's the indulgence this court can grant you. In fairness to your client and yourself and to everybody. Okay, so we postponed this matter for that reason and the fact that there was going to be some recess to the 15th of April, when we shall again proceed to this matter.
Ngenxa yokuthi umnumzana uMngomezulu sizokhumbula ukuthi beke ngene kule cala ngalesigaba se trial within a trial. Manje ke usekayaqhubeka necala lonke. Kwamele ayofunda ubufakazi njengoba sibona lapha kunamaphepha amaningi wabufakazi ukuthi bese sibakhulumile. Kwamele ayozilungiselela ukuze azokwazi ukuqhubeka ngecala. Manje lecala lihlethiselwa emuva kufikela nge-15 zika April la ukuthi icala lizoqhubeka. Umnumzana uMngomezulu anikwe ithuba lokuthi ayofunda yonke into ekuleli cala kusukela ngalesikhathi kuqalwa kufikela namuhla.
Just before we adjourn, my lord, there's that issue of the notification of change of address
Oh, yeah.
that was handed up as exhibit
Triple-
A4.
Triple
which
A,
is big.
4.
Yeah, triple A in brackets 4, my lord.
Oh, so yeah. So, Mr. Mgomezulu, you see, up to now the record is about 9,000 pages.
That's what.
Is that record from the beginning
That's correct. From the beginning.
of the trial?
And my lord, I failed to indicate that the second docket has not been disclosed, and I was promised
Which
to
docket
get
is that? No.
375. Then I was promised to get the docket.
Oh, you remember? Is that the Nongoma one?
No.
No, it's not. It's not the
All the councils.
Captain.
My lord, we told Mr. Mgomezulu he'll get it straight after the proceedings. I don't know why he's raising that. We made arrangements this morning that he'll get it straight away after the...
Now,
Yes. I said him he can accompany us to the office. We'll give him copies of the document.
okay, they say if you accompany them, you'll get it now. Okay, thanks then. We adjourn
Siyabonga.
until the 15th.